How to get the refund on the Temu. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can get the refund on your Temu without returning. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go in your Temu and here you have to go in your U icon. So now once you are in, as you can see that here is the option of the customer support, you have to click on it. So now once you are in the customer support, you have to go in the contact us and here you have to select the option that you want to refund your order. You just have to simply type in can I get a refund and you just have to click on the send. Now from here you just have to select the order for which you want to return or get the refund, and after that you just have to select the order and you have to add the product details, and after that you are able to get the refund on your Temu. So this is how you can get the refund without returning it. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.